Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, test 3 of the propeller-powered rail car. I've added a real switch, a micro slide switch. The switch that was originally on that battery pack I was using was really inefficient and just gave really erratic results. So I needed a real switch. Anyway, haven't changed it at all. It's just a motor, the battery pack, and I've added a switch, as you see. And experimenting with 2-bladed props rather than 3-bladed. These seem to work better. So I just put a battery in this, one fresh one, one used one. This seems to run optimally right around 2 volts. So anyway, 3.5 volts, 2 fully charged batteries, and this thing comes off the rail. So anyway, once I get a full-size motor and I'm powering this from track power, it'd be much easier. But in the meantime, this allows me to do some real experiments with propellers. So the 2-bladed prop seems to work 1,000% better. Anyway, getting ready to send this car around the rail, let it go around a couple times and see how it goes. Well, so far so good. It's zooming around the rail, no doubt. Okay, it's starting to slow down now, as you see. So those batteries don't last very long powering a motor. 2 fully charged batteries, if I could keep it on the rail, this will probably run maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can see how quickly it's dropping off now. But it works. That's the nice thing about it. Anyway, the new equipment will be here in a week, 10 days, 2 weeks, something like that. Genuine airplane parts. And then I can make some small car that actually runs on track power. So anyway, as you see, it works. It's just a matter of building one that runs on track power now. So I'm going to go with a 2-blade prop. There's no doubt about that. In fact, that's what I ordered with the motor. So it's going to be interesting to see where this actually goes. But it's a lot of fun. That's the neat thing about it. I've had a blast doing this. And it's so simple. That's the neat thing about it. Anyway, I just want to do a follow-up video on a propeller-powered rail car. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.